So question 11 says Mr. Smith keeps a record of the number of absences for each student in his class for one term, and here are his results, and it wants me to write down the mode. So we know that the mode means the most common value. So just looking at these numbers, which one appears the most in that list? Well, I've got 2 5s, but I've got 3 zeros. So 0 is the mode. So that's my answer to part A. Then B says, work out the mean. So to work out the mean of a list of numbers, I need to add them all up and then divide by how many numbers I've got in total. So if I just add all those numbers up, I get 28. And then how many numbers did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm taking this number 28 and I'm dividing it by 10 and I get the answer of 2.8. Question 12 says we've got a rule for working out the total cost in pounds of hiring a pressure washer. So we take the number of days, multiply it by 5.4 and then we add 15 to it. And it says Ali hires a pressure washer and we're told the cost. The total cost is £52.80, but we want to work out how many days. So we need to undo this. So if we think about it, we're taking our number of days, we're multiplying it by 5.4 and then we're adding 15. So whatever my number of days is, I've just used D for days, I would times it by 5.4 and then I'd add 15. And it tells me the question, well, you want to know what this number is that gives an answer of £52.80. So now I'm going to have to subtract £15, gives me £37.80, and then I'm going to have to divide by 5.4. And when I do that on my calculator, I get an exact answer of 7. So it was 7 days. And if you're unsure, you can check. Take the number 7, times it by 5.4 and then add 15 and it should give £52.80. Now part B says, Ben hires a pressure washer for Y number of days, the total cost is C pounds. And it wants me to write down a formula for C in terms of Y. Well, I've kind of already done the working out which I'm going to need sort of up here. I'm taking Y this time for the number of days and I would multiply it by 5.4, then add 15 to it, and whatever my outcome is, that's the cost C. So my formula is going to look something like this. Number of days times by 5.4. I've just written the number in front now of the letter, because that's how we like to write it, and then plus 15, and whatever that number is, it's the total cost. So that's my formula. I've just got to make sure that I've got C equals in there, because that is part of the formula.